Yeah, that sounds like a really easy job compared to what we normally get. If you bring the laptop to us, we offer a free assessment and quote. We'll have a look to see if it has a hard disk drive or an SSD inside, whether it's removable or built in. We'll give you a free quote, we'll test it, and then we'll make a backup of everything that's on there if you approve the quote onto a new portable USB hard drive for you. Yeah, there's a good chance we can help. Just the important thing is don't drop it, don't do anything else with it. Try not to give it to anyone else. That if the data is really important, just bring it to us first, because if we get something that's quite easy for us, it'll work out a much higher success rate and much cheaper for you too.